Hey guys, so welcome back to another episode of the Resource Campus. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn an extra $4 per hour online just by typing. Now, there are a lot of people who have the skills or who are really good in typing, but the thing is they don't know how to utilize their skills to make money, and that is why I am making this video. So there are different websites and platforms that you can join online, and you can sell your services or your typing skills to clients who are willing to pay you to type the documents for them. So you can just join this platform, you register, and you can find clients. These clients come on these platforms and post typing jobs. So you can apply to these jobs, and once you are accepted or once you have been picked to do the job, you get paid. So you can earn money on the side just by typing. Now, this is not something that's going to give you money very quickly. I know there are a lot of people, when they think of online or making money online, they always think it's just something that you do at the snap of your finger and it's an easy thing or it's a quick money scheme. So the thing is, this actually takes time. So it takes time for you to earn a lot of money. So when you're starting, you have to be realistic. So the first step is to try to join these platforms and then find clients, and you can start earning maybe a little $4 here and there. And at the end, once you start getting a lot of clients, you can start making more money from there. So this is just like a side hustle that you can use to earn extra money on the side, add it to your current job. So let's go to these platforms and see how you can actually but first, make money. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the red subscribe button down below, because on this channel we do a lot of tech productivity videos and online money making videos. So if you're interested in such videos, please hit the red subscribe button and turn on notification bell so that you always get updated by YouTube whenever I upload a video. Okay, now let's go to the first website. Now the first website is going to be Upwork. Now Upwork is a huge freelance marketplace. You can find a lot of different jobs on these platforms. For example, on the search job tab, I just type in data entry, and immediately you see there are a lot of different jobs that have been posted. Let's take a look at this one. So these are different data entry jobs. You can see this one which says offline typing work, copying JPEG files into a Word document. So please type the JPG file into Microsoft Word. So this is basically an easy job that you can do just by converting an image into Word document. So I actually have a tutorial on that. I'm just going to scroll and look at it from here. So where is it? Okay, so this is it. Handwritten, how to convert handwritten text to an editable Word document. So this is a JPEG file. JPEG is just an image. So how to convert an image into an editable Word document. So with that, you can learn it. It's just how many minutes video? Just I think 1 minute video, right? So you can learn that skill if you don't know how to do it, and then you do this job, and they are willing to pay you $5 to $15. So that's the money that the client is willing to pay for that job. So you can find a lot of different jobs on these platforms. You can register on this platform, and you can start searching for data entry jobs, and you can make money on the side with this side hustle. Now the next website I'm going to be talking about is called Scribie. Now this is a freelance transcription service platform, but you can also join as a freelancer, right? You can come here under solutions. Once you go to the website, go to solutions and come where it says freelance transcription. So you can sign up and become a transcriber. So what they do is, just scroll down, you can see already they say work at your convenience and earn between $5 to $20 per audio hour. So what you're going to do is you are working as a transcriber. So you're going to listen to an audio and a video and type in whatever you hear. So that is basically how you get paid. So these are the criteria. So you must have a good listening skill. Required skills are listening ability and good comprehension of English. Apply context, identify mistakes, and correct the automated transcript. And you'll be able to earn between $5 to $20. Now, to join Scribie, you need to take a test. They're going to give you a test, and once you pass the test, then you can join the platform and as a freelancer, and then you can start making money. So they always have audios and videos that you can transcribe and you make money from it. Now with this platform, as a beginner, you can make roughly, let's say, $5 per, if you are very hardworking, you can make, let's say, $5 per day. Really, you can make even up to, let's say, in a month you can make up to $100 a month. So this is a great side hustle. You can join the platform and you utilize your typing skills and make money from it. Now the next website I'm going to show you is a Facebook group. Everybody is on Facebook, so why not utilize these groups? So go to Facebook and just type in maybe data entry, because data entry is typing, right? So just type in data entry, just like I did here, data entry group, and immediately these are the groups that you will see, right? This one says data entry jobs, copying, typing, and data entry services. You can take a look at the number of members they have: 8k members, 10 posts per day. And you can, what you do is just join the groups. Let's look at this. So there are different groups. You can look at this one. This one has 79 members, 79,000 members. So these are the type of groups that you would want to join. So let's click on this one. Okay, so there are people who come on these groups and post jobs. So once you join this group, you can apply to the jobs that have been posted, and then if you get accepted, then you can start working for the platform. You can start working for them. So this one say urgently required male and female, work from home, government approved company. No, this isn't. So there are members who come here and post job. Even people who are not members, so they come on these groups and then they paste jobs, and then you as the freelancer or as a group member, you can apply to these different jobs and make money. So this is another one, job vacancy: novel typing, handwritten, data entry, form filling. So you can WhatsApp the person and then you discuss from there, discuss the terms and services. Work from home available. So this was posted 5 days ago. Typing work. So you can see, let's go to the comments. See the number of people who have commented under the job. Oh, I don't think I can see the comments unless I join the group. So I think so. Okay, so you can join as many groups as you want. So you don't necessarily need to join just one group. So you can join all of them if you want. The thing here is to find the aim here is to find clients and to find jobs that you can do and earn money. So that is how you can actually utilize your typing skills and make money online on the site. So you can join the platforms as a freelancer and you can make money from it. On Upwork, every day there are clients who post jobs daily, so you can even filter jobs by the experience level, even by entry level. You can see the number of jobs that is available, entry data. So there are different jobs that you can do. Entry data entry project. So typing, there are different typing jobs that you can actually apply to that best fits your skills, and you can start making money on the side. Now if you don't know how to register on Upwork, especially how to get paid, because most of these jobs or these platforms are going to be paying your money through PayPal or Payoneer. If you are from Cameroon or in Africa, I will highly recommend you use a Payoneer account, because I use a Payoneer account. PayPal is somehow difficult to receive money or to withdraw money in Cameroon specifically. I don't know about the other African countries, but in Cameroon it's not really that possible to receive PayPal money, so, or to receive your money through PayPal. So Payoneer is always the
Wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.